Back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at how you can utilize quick analysis in Microsoft Excel to analyze data within few minutes. So if you didn't know that action exists, don't worry, this video is for you. So let's get started. So the first step is to have your data in Microsoft Excel, and it can be importing the data from any source that you have, or importing the data from desktop. So the data is already in the Microsoft worksheet, so we can begin. So for you to begin to utilize the quick analysis, you're going to select the type of data that you want to be analyzed. So I want to start with salary. Of course, you have your cursor in the salary, and then you click Control and Shift down, and then you have this uh, icon. So this icon is the one that is called the quick analysis. So you click it, and then now you have type of analysis that you can carry out. So you can do the formatting. We can start with having the bars. So for the salaries which were higher, like 90 and above, 90,000 and above, they have the bars which are longer compared to those who had something like 59,000. So how do you clear this? You can clear this by coming here, and then you can proceed to the second one. Not bars again. Let's clear. So we can proceed to something like color. So you see, we have green, darker green colors for those salaries which were 92,000 and above, and then we have lighter green for those salaries which were between something like 80,000 and above, and then we have those which were in red, dark red, those which were like 50,000, and then lighter red for those which were in category of 60,000. So that's how you can do it. So you can unformat it, and then you can move to icon sets. So you're going to have the green upper showing you the salary was good, and then we have this down, the salary was not good, and then we have this yellow also. And then we can unformat this so that we can proceed with other analysis. So we format that, and then we can move to, do you still have, I don't want colors, I don't want, you can also have those top 10, you can also have the top 10s. So you can also, let me remove this format. You can also have like charts. So you can have charts, and if the charts that are available here for the data that you had selected is not fitting, you can go for more charts. So you can go here for more charts, and then you can have this something like because it's a continuous variable, so you can look at this Pareto to see the distribution. So for those who had something like 59 to 76,000 were 8, and then those who are between 76 to 93, they were around 6, and then those who had 93 to 110,000 were 2. So that's how you can have other graphs. Also, you can let's see other graphs that you can do. So I think that's all of the, yeah. So and then you can also do other things like totals. So you can sum up, you see. And then you can also do tables, and for the tables you can have this pivot table, which is going to categorize in terms of department. So where is our data? Let's go back to our data. So we can do you can also, so the table is, we already have the table, so you can also have this pivot, and then instead of you remove this ID, and then instead of department we have the counties. So that's how you can utilize the quick analysis in Microsoft Excel.